Good evening, everyone. How are you doing tonight? Okay. Parang ang saya-saya, no? There's a lot of colors everywhere. So, we came from Boa Campus, which we have also the event like this, and I've seen this event in Torrijos, a very colorful one. So, to Ms. Carmencita D. Laos, the president of MAR-SU Alumni Association Torrijos, to Mr. Glesser Recania, Vice President, to Mr. Arnold Recania, our Master of Ceremony, to all the officers and members of MAR-SU Torrijos Campus Alumni Association, and to every proud MAR-SUans who made their way back here tonight, maligayang pagbabalik po sa inyong lahat. Maligayang pagdating po sa inyong tahanan. I stand here before you tonight on behalf of Professor Dr. Diosdado P. Zulueta, who has so honored to have been invited as your guest of honor and speaker this evening. He sends his sincerest greeting and his deepest apologies because he's currently attending an equally pressing commitments on behalf of the university. But ask me to convey this gathering and each of you in it hold a very special in his heart. Reconnect, celebrate, relive the legacy, one proud MAR-SUans. What a powerful theme you have chosen. And look at around you, the retro attire, the old familiar faces, and the laughter already filling this stadium tonight. You didn't just dress up for the theme, you dress up for each other, and that says everything. But let us pause for a moment and acknowledge what it took to be here tonight. Hindi po madali ang panahon ngayon. The world we live in is harder than it has been in a long time ago. Many of us are quietly carrying things, financial pressure, health worries, and exhaustion of holding our families together. The uncertainty of wondering what comes next. Life for a lot of us has not been a smooth road. And yet, nandirito po kayo and you came. You showed up, not just for the party, though we absolutely enjoy that tonight, but for something deeper for each other. For a reminder that no matter how hard life gets, we do not go through it alone. That is quiet heroism of this night, and that is exactly what it means to be one proud MAR-SUans. Matatandaan po ba ninyo na ang Torrijos Campus noong kayo ay mga estudyante pa? The classrooms, the campus ground, the walk to school, the professor who chose class you feared, but whose lessons you still remember word for word today. The groupmate who carried your part of the project when you were very overwhelmed. The friend who sat beside you during the hardest exam of your life and whispered, kaya mo yan. Those moments and those people, sila po ang pundasyon kung nasaan po tayo ngayon. You are here tonight accomplished, experienced, and full of stories. Because somewhere on this campus, someone believed in you before you believed in yourself. And now, here's the beautiful truth about tonight. Look at the person beside you. That classmate, that batchmate, that old friend. They may be exactly the connection someone in your life has been waiting for. A doctor, a business owner, a government official, a teacher, someone who knows someone. Malay nyo, di ba? In this era, your network is one of the most powerful things you have. And tonight, that network is right here in this stadium. But more than that, think about this as a person who helped you when you had nothing may now be the one who needs a hand. Ngayon na ang oras na ibalik natin ang tulong na natanggap natin noon. Not out of obligation, but because we owed, not because we owe a debt, but because iyon ang MAR-SUans, nagbubuhat ng isa't isa at nagtutulong-tulong. Tonight, enjoy the fellowship, dance. It's retro night. So let's see those moves and laugh loud. eat well, win those raffle prizes. But in between all of that, take a moment and really connect. Exchange number, ask your batchmates how they truly are, and listen. Because the best thing you can bring home from tonight is not just a souvenir. It's a renewed sense of bayanihan among people who share a history. On behalf of Professor Dr. Diosdado P. Zulueta and the entire Marinduque State University family, congratulations. Maris U. Torrejo's Alumni Association on this milestone. Homecoming, thank you for keeping the legacy alive, and thank you so much again for coming home. Relive the legacy, celebrate the friendship, and always be proud because you are and will forever be one proud Maris Yuans. At lagi po ninyong tatandaan dito sa Marinduque State University, meron pong sa inyo tunay na nagmamahal. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Ladies and gentlemen, maraming salamat po for that meaningful and inspiring message.